Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my Dream View channel. Now I am going to tell you about Sansui 190 liters direct cool single door 1-star refrigerator. First I will tell you about the features. The key features are capacity 190 liters, compressor type reciprocatory, star rating 1 star, defrosting type direct cool which is economical, consumes less electricity and requires manual defrosting. Coming to the specifications, generally in the box we get one refrigerator unit, key and manual. Type single door, refrigerator type top freezer refrigerator, defrosting type direct cool, number of doors 1. Power requirement AC 240 volts 15 Hz. Number of refrigerator shelves 2. Warranty 1 year on product and 4 years on compressor. Cost price 9,199 rupees only. To get this refrigerator, please hit the link in the below description, and to get more interesting videos, do subscribe to our Dream View channel. Please like, share and comment below. Thank you. Keep smiling. Bye bye.